Yo, what's up guys? Gonna give you a quick little update on my 96-hour fast / day 3 of the stray dog junk food diet, where I eat only junk food for 30 days on the snake diet. So here's my update. I'm really hungry. Okay, so actually I'm not really that hungry. Like I don't feel hunger, you know, in the traditional sense of like hunger pains and stuff like that. But what I do feel is very low energy. Now, part of that might be because I injured my back during training on that day where I let Kostas punch and kick me in the stomach. I'm not sure if he accidentally like punched me in one of my ribs and it's bruised, or I overexerted myself somehow. But I'm in a lot of pain and have been for about 2 days. I also did a 2-hour massage last night, which was amazing, by the way, 30 bucks for 2 hours, and that's including an $8 tip. This girl really went at it with the elbows and the knees and just totally smashed me. So I think I might also still be recovering from that as well. But in general, the junk food diet, it's not that big a deal, you know? I mean, like, I feel fine. I am kind of craving like some healthy food, but so what? You know, I can totally, you know, I'll eat anything at this point. I'm not even hungry, which is weird. I don't even really feel like I need to eat anything, except for the weakness, right? I just feel very weak. That's all it is. But you know, if I hadn't, this is, what am I, 65 hours into the fast right now? 65 hours into any fast where I'm training and injured, I'm gonna feel like this. This is like par for the course. My mouth is very dry, I've got awful cotton mouth, I'm drinking water like it's my job. I mean, honestly, this like junk food diet experiment, I'll probably do a few more refeeds, but it really proves the point where like, if you fast for long enough, you can eat whatever you want and you're gonna be totally fine. We'll see, I'm not sure.